Where's the entrance to Hanoi House? This one? Oh, hole in the wall. Open ba to? Oh my goodness. Oh. Adventure. This coffee shop is very environmental friendly since may mga recycled things here. Ayan, may motor. Vietnamese iced coffee. Original egg coffee. Because we're in Vietnam, the country of coffees, if I'm not mistaken, the second biggest coffee producer in the world, we have to try the coffee here. Wow. What's the inspiration of the interior?
Over 100 years.
Coconut
I
coffee.
ordered the same.
Ang sarap ng mga kape dito sa Vietnam, guys. Let's go. Hidden Alley. Our salty milk coffee. Is it okay to collect cards? Yeah, yes. Thank you. Thank you. Are you students?
Yeah, we are studying university.
Ay, university. Hello, guys! Hello, hello! Xin chào from Hanoi, Vietnam! This is Dave and I am the Puripo Traveler on Facebook. And ngayon nga, naglalakad tayo dito ngayon sa Old Quarter. One of the most touristy spot and the most recognized area here in Hanoi. Kung nakikita nyo ang daming motor, kasi ngayon papunta tayo okay, naglalakad tayo ngayon sa sidewalk kasi ngayon papunta tayo sa isang coffee shop called Hidden Gem Cafe because for today's video, tayo po ay mag-cafe hopping. Dahil of course, ang Vietnam ay sikat for its coffee. Ang pinaka-famous na kape dito, ang egg coffee. Alright? So yung egg coffee dito yan nag-originate sa Vietnam because of the lack of milk during the war. And dami ko nang sinabi. Pero lakad lang tayo dito. Mahanap din natin yung hinahanap nating cafe. So are you guys in for an adventure? Kasi ngayon pa lang, nag-adventure na tayo. My God, walking in the streets of Vietnam is really an experience. Share ko lang guys. So yung mga activity namin dito sa Vietnam, ang ilan doon ay binook namin sa Kluk, for example yung Halong Bay and others. Kasi kapag mag-book tayo sa Kluk prior to our trip, mas makakatipid talaga tayo. At mas makakatipid kayo kung gamitin nyo yung promo code ko, Dave Gino, for 5% discount. Okay? So i-comment ko din yung promo code ko sa baba para i-copy paste nyo na lang kung mag-book kayo sa Kluk. Alright? Yeah, parang tagig area na to. Malapit sa Korean Embassy. Itong nararamdaman ko dito, guys. Hidden Gem Cafe, it's here! So we found our first cafe, the Hidden Gem Cafe. Nasa taas, I think. You know what, Ate Andy? Ang maganda dito sa... Wow, biglang may ganun. Ang maganda dito sa Hidden Gem Cafe kasi they use recycled materials in their... ineme. Basta, recycled materials, yung loob ng cafe. Okay? Baka sa taas. Picturean ko muna yung outside. Hidden talaga siya, dahil let's go. Oh. Ooh. So, saan nag-order? Sa taas? Oh, pasok tayo. Oh. It is our duty to save environment's beauty. I speak for the trees to have no tongues. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Ganda. So this is Hidden Gem Cafe. Tapos yung mga dito, yung mga gamit dito sa loob ay puro recycled. Okay. So again, Vietnam is very famous for the coffee shops, for the cafes. So here we are doing a cafe hopping. Ang nice ate dito. Welcome. Ang nice. Oh, this is beautiful. I love the aesthetics. Hello. Xin chào. Xin chào. Do we order here? Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, ang nice. Where's your menu? This one? Uy, mura lang. Compared sa mga nakita natin kaninang nasa 49K, 55K. Ay, may egg coffee siya. But I think I want to try the egg coffee sa Cafe Giang. I think I'll try Vietnamese black coffee. Since we're in Vietnam. Coke? Do you have Coke?
Yeah, meron.
Oh, yeah. Meron. So we order here. Ang ganda. I think that's inspired from the train street. Ang ganda. Super aesthetics. This coffee shop is very environmental friendly. Since may mga recycled sila things here. Ayan, no, may motor. May motor. Tapos ito mga bote ng liquor. Picture tayo ate dito. May mirror dito eh. I am so amazed. Ang ganda dito. Save a tree. Save everything else. Oh, that's a message. A powerful message. You save one tree, you save everything.
Save one tree?
One tree. Let's stay there. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's glass.
Cute!
We're gonna stay there. Yeah, is it the best spot? Yeah. Let's go. Thank you. This is so nice. Thank you. Come on, right? Oh yeah, may fan. Thank you. Yay. Ang ganda dito, guys, sa rooftop. Super nice. Ganda rin siguro dito sa gabi. Ganda. And ayun sa likod, pa BGC area. Joke lang. Sabi ko pa C5 na. So this is my first Vietnamese iced coffee. Here in, of course, Vietnam. Let's try this. Aesthetics. Let's taste our first Vietnamese iced coffee. Bitter, but very refreshing. I'm not a coffee person, but it refreshes me. How about your Coke, ate? Refreshing as well.
Zero.
Oh, wala silang syrup.
But it's walang zero.
But
it's good. Light is also good.
Okay.
Ayoko lang original.
alright. Basta hindi original na Coke. Sarap ng Vietnamese. Saya mag-sitting pretty dito habang nanonood ng mga papunta sa BGC na mga motor. It's really nice here. The recycled stuff, the murals, everything is nice. Like the overall vibe, no? Ang ganda. Mahangin. Oo, mahangin. Hindi mo kaya ng matapang, ate. Ayaw mo na ipapaglaban ka. Ipapaglaban yung antok mo. Pero lalabanan yung antok mo, rather. Ito, matapang nga siya. Pero not super tapang naman. Sucks lang. Pero sige, ayaw ko yung patikim sa'yo. Kasi baka di tayo makauwi. Wag. For the aesthetics lang tayo dito. Itong Vietnamese coffee ko, 70 pesos lang to. Tapos yan, 70. Apparently, in the Philippines,
125 pesos.
sa restaurants. Oh, okay. Wala, gulat ako. Mura siya. Tapos, imagine, authentic Vietnamese coffee. Siyempre, feeling ko mas mura talaga pag dito sa Vietnam bibilhin. Kasi Vietnamese coffee. Nandito mismo yung yung sangkap. Ganda ng vibe dito. Ganda lang mag-relax. Sinasabi ko kanina kay Ate Andy, ito na yung gusto kong trip. Laid back. Relax lang. Kasi nung nag-Osaka kayo, pak. Punong-puno. Ito, may make sure ko siya kasi first day, alam kong pagod tayo, cafe hopping lang. And sana nakasama natin friends natin kasi nagtatrabaho sila. I think they'd enjoy it more here while working. With the ambience of the hangin, with the music. May mga customers na sa baba. Wala, ang ganda lang dito. It's 5 PM. So, almost 2 hours din tayo dito. So, ito yung gusto ko. Laid back lang. Very chill na tambay sa coffee shop. Thank you. Where's your CR? Where's your toilet? Thank you. Bye-bye. Ang hospitable. They're very much hospitable. They'll greet you with a smile. So it's really nice to be exploring Vietnam and seeing eye candy like Kuya kanina na bumaba. Ay, ito pala CR. So what's your impression of our first cafe here in Vietnam, Ate Andy? Ayan, daming motor. Ang hirap. Super nice the vibe, no? Chill lang. Nakakabusog din kasi sa eyes yung aesthetics. Fulfilling sa heart. So,
recyclable materials yung ginamit.
Right. Recyclable materials talaga yung ginamit nila. Yung mga designs, recyclable. So, that cafe encourage recycling and taking care of the environment. Ang dami nangyayari construction po dito ngayon. So ngayon, our next stop is Cafe Giang or Giang. Mura lang daw ang taxi dito. Ay, meron isa pang hidden gem cafe or ito na yun, yung kanina. Marami bang hidden gem cafe? Ah, same. Same lang, no? Magkaibang entrance lang. Okay. So, ang daming ang coffee shop dito. Oh, ito naman, dim sum. And this is 5 p.m. Hanoi. I love it here.
Patawid na ba tayo? Patawirin na ba nila tayo?
Utang na loob, patawirin niyo po kami. Kasi nag-hesitate tayo. Alright, so our next stop is here. Cafe Giang or Giang. Since 1946. So the original egg coffee. Let's wait for Lily and Claude here, ate. Papunta na sila dito. Our next stop is the original egg coffee. So this Cafe Giang is from 1946. So this was the one who invented the original egg coffee. The egg coffee from Vietnam. Tara, habang may mga lumalabas. So we're here again in Cafe Giang, where we can experience the original egg coffee. Let's go. Bango. Amoy itlog. Buti konti lang tao. I think try natin sa taas. For the experience. Oh yeah. Do we order first? Ay, sorry. Oh, tas maraming space. Pwedeng sa may aircon or doon. Try natin doon. Oo. Uy, ang daming spaces. Dito kasi amoy UC. Sure. Or doon, baka wala na. Ay, wala na. Sige, dito na lang. Alright. I'll order 1 egg coffee. Hot or ice? Lang ako. Sige, me hot. Hot is me. 2.
Hot kayo ba?
Ako hot. 2 hot egg coffee. Dito sa table na go-order ng egg coffee, tatawagin nyo lang yung staff. So, 35,000 dong. Nandito na yung kape natin, guys. And again, as a background, yung egg coffee ay na-invent during the French War. Kasi dahil sa pressure ng milk shortage during that time. So, they had to use egg yolk. So, this egg coffee is made of egg yolk, Vietnamese coffee powder, sweetened condensed milk, butter, and cheese. I can't wait to taste this kasi Vietnam is really famous for this coffee, diba? Vietnam is famous for coffees, pero ibang level yung pagiging famous niya due to egg coffee. Whoa! Ito pala yung menu. So again, nasa 35,000 dong siya. Hindi pesos siya. So it's just around 80 pesos. So marami naman silang menu dyan, iba't ibang drinks. But of course, we ordered the basic one, but the most popular one, the egg coffee. So we'll taste the original egg coffee, guys, here in Vietnam. Of course, egg coffee was invented here in Vietnam due to the lack of milk during the French War. Trivia, let's taste this one. Creamy. Lasang, alam mo yung lasang buttered na pancake kapag hindi pa siya luto. Lahat naman sa akin masarap. But I'll give this a 5/5. How about you, Lil? How's the experience?
Wait, let me taste it again.
Tasting egg coffee in Vietnam is an experience.
I think the size is perfect na it's small, like I feel kasi it's so tasty na kapag masyadong madami, parang nakakasama. But this is the perfect size, I think.
Siyempre, kunin din natin ang reaction ni Ate Andy na non-coffee drinker. Matapang ba yung taste ng coffee? Masarap. Uy, naku, dahan-dahan. Di ba nagpapalpitate ka?
Masarap siya.
Delish.
Hindi siya lasang egg. Kasi siyang kape.
Go lang. Delish. Nice. So, gusto mong sabihin na in terms of vibe of the coffee place, iba pa rin talaga yung kanina attended. Like, that was the tranquility. kung anong inventong words. Hello. Humingiti kasi siya sa akin. dami humingiti sa akin na mag-vlog ako. Sana may poging ganun din. Anyway, the vibe kanina was just really great. Kanina sa recycled materials place. Hidden Gem Cafe. This time naman, we're here for the experience. Yung chairs dito interesting kasi maliliit. I think this is the authentic Vietnamese cafe experience, diba? Siyempre, original to from 1940s pa. And the taste of the original egg coffee, it's an experience that you must try, okay? When you go here in Vietnam. Pwede na ako mag-TV host, no? Pwede na ako mag-TV host, no? Pwede ko sa mga trivia. Broad kong kami, guys. Fun facts. I think sana may natututunan kayo sa vlog na to, no? And wala, nakakataba ng puso.
Bakit nakakataba ng puso?
Nakakataba ng puso. Makapaghandog.
Wow!
Tama na nga. Ng kaalaman sa inyo.
Gusto ko lang
i-share. Kala mo ba tama? Gusto ko lang i-share na I'm not a coffee person. But because we're in Vietnam, which is the country of coffees, I believe the country with the best coffee, if I'm not mistaken, the second biggest coffee producer in the world, we have to try the coffee here. And I think, masabi naman natin na iba yung coffee dito, yung hatak ng kape dito kasi napag-try siya. Masarap siya. Na ayaw ng kape.
Hindi naman ayaw.
Makakatulog pa tayo later? Magpa-party pa tayo later. Pero syempre matulog ako kasi may halong day tayo mamaya. Sana makatulog ako. Kasi nakadalawang kape pa lang ako. Tapos mayroon pa tayong isa mamaya. So this is our third cafe actually.
Yes.
No? Third cafe. Insert ko na lang pala yung cafe namin kanina. Kasi na-introduce kong first cafe, yung Hidden Gem Cafe. Insert ko na lang, okay? Para hindi kayo malito. So here we are, paying after we drink our coffee. Pay, order at your seat, pay later. Thank you. Ay, wait lang. May mga photos dito. Wait lang ha. I'll just document this one. I think maybe that's their family. Uy, teka lang. I think this is worth documenting. Is this the making of the first egg coffee? Tapos meron ditong different cups. Ha? China. Our first stop is here, La Mensa Cafe, here in the Old Quarter. So what are your orders?
This is salted coffee.
Salted coffee. How much?
49.
49.
Yeah, it's 49.
It's 49,000. Ayong 49,000 dong. Dong. 49,000 for coffee. How about you? What is that?
I forgot. It's a caramel thing.
The important is, it's 49,000.
55 size.
Oh, 55,000. Excuse me, not 49, but 55,000. I have this pretty yogurt for 49,000.
I'm poor daw.
So this is our first drink in Hanoi. So this is yogurt, Lamensa yogurt. So this is Lamensa Cafe in the Old Quarter. And actually pwedeng kumain sa labas or magstay sa labas. And magkaroon ng magandang view of the Old Quarter. Maubos ko agad to. Is this supposed to be steered? Like a steered fried chicken? May dragon fruit siya inside. Inside. Ang sarap. Grabe. Creamy yung yogurt. Labas tayo ng konti for the view of Hanoi from above. So this is the bustling Old Quarter. Ulit-ulit tayo dun, no? From above. Ayan yung mga kumakain lang sa side ng authentic Vietnamese food. Daming ano dito, daming turista. Kita niyo yun, yung mga nakamaleta pa. How's the coffee Giyang experience?
Surprisingly masarap siya.
Surprisingly masarap as a non-coffee lover. Non-coffee drinker rather.
Cannot not be craft.
Yes, how about you?
Parang I would drink it more as a dessert, not as a coffee sa umaga. Ganyan.
In the morning.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pero masarap siya, but as dessert.
Okay. As dessert for Lily, that's her verdict. If you would rate it 5 stars, how many stars?
4 again.
4 again. How about you?
4 also.
4 also.
Because wala na akong point of comparison. So.
Alright, we found the Hanoi House entrance. Di ba dito? Papasok? Nasaan siya? Ay, hindi ko sure. Wait lang. Nandyan siya eh. Uy, ang ganda. Hindi ko sure daw kung saan papasok. Saan kayang entrance nito? Kaya tayo pwede magtanong. Okay. Oh, interesting. Before tayo makapunta sa Hotel de Luna. Hindi mo kasyang Hotel de Luna. Pasok muna tayo dito sa Eskinita. Grabe. Nasaan, Lord? Nasaan? Excuse me.
Wala, iniwan niya tayo.
Saan kaya? Nasaan na? Excuse me. Where's the entrance to Hanoi House? This one? Oh. The hole in the wall. Open ba to? Teka lang. Shucks, it's really dark. Oh my goodness. So, okay. Oh. Adventure. Alright, we're entering the Hanoi House Cafe and Bar. Shucks, gulat ako ng tao. Enter.
Ay, siya may. Oh my God, it's so cool.
Enter the Hotel de Luna. So, nasa loob kami ng Hanoi House. So, this is a French colonial house na almost 100 years old. This is a cool bar. Para siyang hole in the wall. We're in Hanoi House Cafe and Bar. So this is a French colonial house na almost 100 years old. And it's in front of the St. Joseph Cathedral, which was built by the French colonial government. One of the first buildings, Dikita, that was built by the French government. And now, let's enter. Ang aesthetics dito guys, actually ito ay nasa yung Hanoi House, under siya sa cafe na category sa internet. So akala ko may kape dito, but apparently most items here are drinks, like beverages, like wines.
This is sparkling.
Sparkling, okay.
And
Sparkling.
Red wine and
Red.
the white wine. This is Tabanero.
Oh, okay. I think this one. We'll have this one. Yeah, that one. Yeah.
You want the red wine?
Yes,
right?
yes,
Just-
the red wine. Buy one, take one, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Yeah,
If
before
you
7
have done
p.m.
the first glass, I will fill for you.
Thank you.
And you want to order?
What's your closest drink to an amaretto sour?
You want an amaretto sour,
Is
right?
that possible?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, one amaretto sour.
Yes.
What? Mocktail ba yun?
Cocktail.
Do
Cocktail.
you want do you want to have the egg white or not?
Egg white is fine.
Just
Thank you. Ang chill naman dito. Super nice. At ang bait nila, tinatawag nila tayong Sir and Madam. France. Very France yan. Madam. Thank you. That's nice.
this one.
Red wine.
two
House.
red wine.
Yes, red wine.
And the water for
Thank you.
Hope you enjoy.
Nagre-record na.
Para kung nasa party. Okay guys, lagyan ko lang ng flash. Pero tikman natin itong red wine. Delish. Madilim kasi dito but it's a whole vibe. Itong Hanoi House. This is the authentic French colonial house experience turned into cafe bar. Daming sinabi. Yeah, because I think we'll be able to appreciate the places more if we know the history. Because if we don't know the history, it's just a mere aesthetics. A place without soul. Pwede na talagang TV host, no? Biyahe ni Dave. Blue Arellano Homes.
Watch out.
Watch out. Kaya ko pa. Pero grabe yung kick ng red wine nila.
Already done.
50% off before 7 because it's happy hour. Alright. Great experience. Okay, balik ulit tayo. Sa masikip na daanan na madilim. Ay, hindi na siya madilim. Alright. So, Ate Andy, how's our Hanoi House experience na mahirap hanapin yung hidden entrance na madilim? So, how's the overall experience in Hanoi House?
The different vibe.
You like it?
Hindi siya cafe.
Wala kami nakitang coffee sa menu.
Yeah.
Pero double check nyo lang kasi baka sa umaga or sa day meron. Picturean natin tong St. Joseph Cathedral. So after uminom, mag-church tayo. It's another day guys and tuloy po ang ating cafe hopping. Siyempre, laman na naman po ng ating content si Claude bilang tagabili ng pasalubong. So that is for...
It's for coffee. Coffee grinder.
No, your pasalubong. That is for who?
For me.
For yourself.
No, for my family.
For your family. Okay. Kasi sa tapat ng aming next cafe, in front of our next cafe is basta mga kape. This coffee shop is a hole-in-the-wall type of coffee shop. Ang papasukan po natin ay tindahan ng mga damit. Ito po siya. Cafe for hole. So, let's go. Let's go inside.
I'm gonna buy a bandana.
Pwede muna kayo mag-shopping ng damit before magkape.
It's so cute.
Wow! Nako, pero wala pa rin tatalo sa ano natin, Hanoi House. Nice. Okay, so this is Cafe Foco. Very ano lang siya, very homey na cafe. The Vietnamese home. So what is your recommendation aside from egg coffee because I've already tasted it?
We have the egg coffee is the best
The bestseller.
Yeah. You can try like coconut coffee here as well, or salted coffee.
Alright, so I'll get that coconut coffee.
Coconut coffee. That one is only with ice. Okay with you? Okay, I'll try.
Only with ice? Sure, go ahead. Coconut coffee. Aside from egg coffee, it's the best seller here.
And one salted coffee. And another coconut coffee. And one coconut coffee.
Okay, she's making recommendations which I love.
Any the egg coffee? Any egg coffee?
We already tried it. How much is the coconut coffee? It's 40,000 dong. What's the inspiration of the interior?
Over 100 years, so we live like 5th generation here.
You're the 5th generation here. Almost, more than 100 years. Thank you.
So this building about built in 1900.
1900s.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Yeah. Yep, you can go upstairs.
Do you want this? Can you? I will. After. Yeah. After. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. She's so hospitable. Yep.
And she does thank you.
Doon na lang tayo sa taas. So we are in 100+ year old na coffee shop. Uy, ang nice. Anywhere.
Let's check first.
Sige. Ito talaga yung pinaka, ano tayo dito, very welcomed na coffee shop. Sa reception area, tapos dito sa taas. It feels different versus sa baba. Akala namin ibang coffee shop but it's the same. So I feel this is a really established na coffee shop here in Hanoi.
The black one.
Wow. Coconut for me as well. Thank you. No.
Okay, at the end.
It's okay. Thank you. Come on. So this is our coconut coffee. So let's steer the tawag dito, coffee, coconut
I
coffee.
ordered the same thing. Sabi niya coconut.
So we will taste the coconut coffee. This is the next bestseller after egg coffee dito sa Cafe Coco. Na apparently itong house na to ay more than 100 years old. 1,000. Kinabog yung Temple of Literature. Nasa bibig ko pa lang siya. Masarap na siya. Grabe, wow. Ang sarap ng mga kape dito sa Vietnam, guys. Pangatlong, ika-4 na natin tong coffee shop. I mean cafe. Kasi yung pangatlo ay Hanoi House. Hindi naman, wala namang kape doon. Pero, so far, this compares to the 2 previous coffee. The egg coffee, tapos Vietnamese coffee. Sarap. It's refreshing. I can taste the coconut. And hindi siya super bitter. Just like
Oh my God,
egg coffee. Masarap siya, guys. Try nyo yung coconut coffee din dito sa Vietnam. Of course, spring rolls is very Vietnamese. Let's taste it. Dali. So that was an experience here in the hole in the wall. Ano? Hole in the wall? Tawag doon? Hole in the wall na cafe. Sarap.
Yeah.
Nasarapan ka naman sa kapit, Lord.
Yeah, I like the
Salted coffee. Mine was coconut coffee. So guys, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ingat. See you. Ngayon naman, guys, let's try out a coffee shop naman. A cafe. Here pa rin sa Old Quarter. Yung Hidden Alley. So, 11-minute walk siya from here. And sa Google, isa yun sa mga top rated. Nasa 4.8 yung stars niya sa Google. Mas mataas kaysa sa ibang natay nating coffee shops in the previous days. Okay? So I can't wait to experience this one. Mukhang maganda daw yung ambience, tapos masarap yung coffee. We found it! Ito yung labas ng Hidden Alley. Medyo hindi siya pansinin. Kasi mukhang hidden nga siya. Let's go. Hidden Alley. Nakakatuwang pumasok sa mga ganitong coffee shop na hindi pansinin, tapos makakakita ka na lang ng surprise kasi maganda. Oh, okay. It's here. Tara. Here ba? I think it's here. They are open. Hello. Okay, so we made it here sa Hidden Alley, and the recommendation here is what? Baukan? Baukan. Okay. All right. 1 salty milk coffee. Yeah. Thank you. Akit tayo, guys. Oh, yeah. It's nice here. Maybe here. Thank you. Hi. Sure. Thank you. This is salty. What do you call it? Salty milk coffee. Thank you.
Thank you.
Or salty milk coffee. Ang ano dito, ang relaxing, ang calming. So sa baba ay aircon, dito naman sa taas, of course, it's an alfresco or open area. And napansin ko para mga students yung staff dito. So it's nice. Sino ko mga nagpa-part-time, baby girl and baby boy. So we ordered salty milk coffee. Yun yung recommended dito no baby boy na nasa bar area. Meron din sila dito mga cocktails. Oh my god. Ang sarap. First time ko makatikim ng ng something like salty milk coffee. It's worth recommending. Sarap dito sa Hidden Alley. Ito yung mga type ko sa mga Vietnamese coffee shop. Alam mo yun, yung nasabi ko kanina, napapasok ka sa tagong lugar, tas ang bubungad sa'yo is a pretty place and delish coffee. It's relaxing here. May mga kapwa traveler siguro tayo dito. I think mga Thai. Tapos mga taga France yung katabi natin. 5,000 dong ito. So around 105 pesos. Itong salt coffee. So Vietnam is really famous for their unique coffees. They invent different kinds of coffees. And yung salt coffee dito sa Vietnam is very traditional. And probably dito talaga nagsimula yung salt coffee sa kanila. Okay, sulit siya. My gosh, nasa 105 pesos lang. Imagine kung sa Pinas to na coffee shop, I think mas mahal talaga. Is it okay to collect cards? Yeah. Yes, thank you. How about you?
Okay.
Thank you. Are you students?
Yeah, we are studying university.
University. How old are you guys?
20.
20 you? 18. Oh, so young. Thank you. Bye-bye. May mga nag-ano dito. May mga students na nag-aaral. Tapos tama. Mga students dito yung staff. Let's go to our next destination. So nice here. Relaxing. So, kung student pa ako, tapos nag-aaral ako sa Hanoi, for sure, isa ito sa mga magiging favorite kong study area. I mean, study place. It's nice. Alright, so we just had our coffee. Salty milk coffee here in Hidden Gem Cafe. And it's a must-try coffee kasi kakaiba siya, di ba? I don't think nakakita ko ng salty milk coffee in the Philippines. So kapag kayo magpupunta ng Vietnam, baka gusto niyo mag-coffee hopping because again, yung Vietnam yung second largest producer of coffee if I'm not mistaken after Brazil. Tapos very unique yung mga coffee shops dito in Vietnam. May iba na hidden talaga like this Hidden Alley, yung pinuntahan nating Hidden Gem Cafe, and yung Hanoi House na cafe and bar. So really interesting cafes here in Vietnam. So ayun guys, so far sa mga ininom ko, ang sarap lahat. yung egg coffee, yung coconut coffee, tapos itong salty milk coffee. Okay, yun yung mga pinaka na-enjoy ko. Halos lahat, 'di ba, ng nainom ko dito sa Vietnam. So kayo guys, comment down below kung feeling nyo anong masarap. Hindi ako guys cafe or coffee reviewer talaga or food vlogger. Gusto ko lang kayong dalhin sa mga experiences ko dito sa Vietnam. So this is Dave, the Puripo Traveler on Facebook. And guys, let's live our best life. Bye-bye!